If your router is showing apps like Snapchat or Signal in the history and you've never even installed them, this video explains exactly why. It's not what you think, and it's way more common than people realize. Your router doesn't actually know what apps you're using. It sees IP addresses and it guesses. The problem is, loads of services share the same servers. If a server hosts both Instagram and Snapchat, your router might log both. Ads on websites connect to these servers in the background too. Your phone does this without you ever opening anything. Here's what the router actually knows. It sees the IP address your phone connected to and the domain name. That's it. It doesn't know if you opened an app or if an ad loaded in the background. It doesn't see your phone number either. It sees a MAC address. A connection to a Snapchat server does not mean you used Snapchat. One IT professional tested his own router's app detection. Roughly half of what it reported was completely wrong. TikTok was showing up for devices that never had TikTok installed. Another said their router flagged Snapchat connections at 4 a.m. when everyone was asleep. It's just background traffic from ads and shared servers. If you want to stop it, you can block those domains in your router settings. That stops the background connections. You can also check which device is making the connections by looking at the MAC address. But the main thing to understand is router logs are not reliable evidence that someone used an app. They're designed for monitoring bandwidth, not proving what someone did on their phone. Has this ever happened to you? Let me know in the comments.